Across a wide range of institutions, Cardano seems to be getting partnerships left and right. For instance, aside from the partnerships which have already been shared on this channel, Cardano has a huge new partnership with McDonald's. Curious to know more about it? Make sure you watch this video until the end to learn more about it. McDonald's recent involvement in crypto Twitter seems to be pleasing to the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson. Following the tweet, "American fast food since 1940 appears to have gotten the attention of cryptocurrency Twitter. How are you doing, people who run crypto Twitter accounts?" With this, people in the crypto space responded to the sarcastic tweet, as well as well-known figures such as Cardano's founders, MicroStrategy's CEO, Binance's Michael Saylor, and Coinbase's Brian Armstrong. During the crypto boom, McDonald's came to the attention of crypto enthusiasts when El Salvador President Nayib Bukele changed his Twitter profile picture to show him wearing a McDonald's uniform. Almost a year later, the first country adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. Nayib Bukele changed his Twitter avatar from a photo of him to a photo of himself in a McDonald's uniform, following a market sell-off when Bitcoin inched down 47% since November. As a result of the slump in Bitcoin prices, El Salvadoran President Nayib Bukele stated that the country acquired an additional 410 bitcoins for $15 million. Further increasing expectations, the president of El Salvador published a poll asking people, "Should I quit my job at McDonald's and open a Bitcoin burger joint?" After El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, McDonald's began accepting Bitcoins in the tropical nation. Additionally, Cardano's priorities for 2022 are compatibility and scalability. Recent publications by the Cardano Foundation outlined compatibility and scalability as priorities for 2022. In 2022, there will likely be 199 projects built using Cardano, and it is anticipated that this number will grow significantly as the Cardano ecosystem, especially its three trinities, contribute to educating and inspiring that outside of the Cardano ecosystem. Furthermore, according to the Cardano Foundation, compatibility and scalability with Basho and Voltaire remain a top priority as the technical and integration teams grow and the project moves into the next stage of its roadmap. In addition to this, Cardano is trading for $1.14. On the first weekend in February, ADA, the native asset of the Cardano blockchain, is down by 2.2% from its previous price. Based on the market cap, Cardano ranks sixth largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $36.21 billion. Next, Cardano's creator, Charles Hoskinson, commented about the failed collaboration between two well-known cryptocurrency projects, SundaySwap and CardStarter. He advised them to cool their attitudes towards one another. Despite being billed as a merger, both platforms have had problems since they agreed on the deal last June. Moreover, before the deal, CardStarter planned to launch its decentralized exchange, but it abandoned those plans rather than merge with SundaySwap. While the project's founders have encouraged investors to provide liquidity for the project, they have also called for CSwap tokens to be exchanged with Uniswap tokens. CardStarter now provides liquidity to SundaySwap instead of pursuing its DEX plans after concluding its deal with SundaySwap. During a recent Ask Me Anything YouTube session devoted to CSwap shareholders, investors were promised great benefits. Additionally, CardStarter's cards can be converted into CSwap tokens using the 400-to-1 rate, which has been recently established. Additionally, the token holders did not appreciate these advantages and quickly attacked Hoskinson and his firm for participating in some of these projects. And the failed partnership has been attributed to both SundaySwap and CardStarter on social media. Later, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson responded to the failed partnership by condemning the emails that were exchanged between both parties after they were contacted about it during a YouTube broadcast. As Hoskinson pointed out, it was not acceptable for both organizations to continue their disagreements on social media as they were abandoning their responsibilities instead of damaging the brand of the ecosystem as a whole. Furthermore, both parties can come to an agreement via arbitration, discuss the problem, and discuss what the hell you are agreeing to, and the arbitration process may not be successful for some reason, so there's always the option of going to court. Currently, Cardano is at the center of an ongoing Twitter feud. There are currently two projects that use the Cardano blockchain and both accuse the other of playing dirty. CardStarter and SundaySwap are the two parties involved in this. Also, the CardStarter platform allows early investors to access projects from startups to accelerators. Uniswap Cardano, a decentralized exchange presented by CardStarter, was launched in April 2020. 2021. The latter is the first decentralized Cardano application. Furthermore, its decentralized exchange was launched in April last year. With the announcement, investors were allowed to provide liquidity for the project by exchanging their Uniswap for CSwap tokens. SundaeSwap, however, has signed an agreement with CardStarter developers. In June, this agreement formed the basis for a merger. Additionally, CardStarter will no longer work on developing its DEX following the agreement, and SundaeSwap will instead be able to provide liquidity to its decentralized exchange. Even so, the holders of DollarSwap believed the deal with SundaeSwap would be even more beneficial to them. As is fair to say, the DollarSwap liquidity providers weren't impressed, so that's where everything went wrong. As a Reddit user posted, it appears these so-called benefits are simply converting your CSwap into the CardStarter's tokens. Soon, allegations of fraud and pulling out the carpet arose in the room, which exacerbated the tense atmosphere. Moreover, CardStarter and SundaeSwap joined social networks with tweets about Cardano and put the Cardano community directly and indirectly in focus. Even though McDonald's is not yet confirmed to be partnering with Cardano, let's examine more information that could persuade McDonald's to consider Cardano. So by increasing the network's capacity and throughput, Input-Output Hong Kong's next parameter update will increase the Cardano network's capacity. And there has been an increase of 15,000% in whale wallets, which has created a spike in demand for Cardano. Cardano demand skyrockets with a massive demand wall. As part of its new upgrade for the Ethereum killer, the Cardano network Input-Output Hong Kong is working. Then, through the upgrade, network capacity would increase and transaction throughput would increase. With an 11% increase in capacity and more memory units per transaction, Cardano performs better in the real world. Furthermore, the upgrade will take effect on the Cardano mainnet in February of 2022. According to investors, Cardano's on-chain solutions are scalability focused, so it's no wonder investors are bullish about it. And as per data from blockchain analytics firm Sentiment, the number of addresses holding 10,000 to 1 million ADA has increased by 15,000% since December 2021. In addition to this, massive demand from traders combined with the spike in holders could cause a bullish surge in the token's price. Based on renowned traders like Ali Martinez, Cardano sits atop a support structure that might prevent the price from falling below $1. Also, FX Street analysts examined Cardano's price trend and found the ADA has tremendous upside potential and is poised for a rebound. Furthermore, the price of Cardano continues to hold on to its $1 value area as its primary support. During the past 10 days, a huge amount of buying has occurred within that value range, with more accumulation taking place every day. Overall, this buying behavior has resulted in a rally on the horizon. As bulls maintain intense buying pressure at $1.42, the price of Cardano is pointing towards a return of $1.42. With this, a rally could soon take place for Cardano. Cardano is currently trading within one of the most constrained ranges in recent years. In addition to this, it is expected that there will be a breakout of the bullish zone at least 3 times higher than the consolidation zone. An alert from Sentiment highlighting ADA accumulation at the $1 value area is one of the primary reasons for anticipating a bullish break. Sentiment tweeted, "Large addresses holding between $10,000 and 1 million ADA own 113% more in their collective bags since the drop on January 17th, accumulating $53.6 million in tokens. Moreover, Cardano's price has been put on the point and figure chart of a hypothetical long entry. With the entry, we place a buy stop order at $1.14, with a stop loss at $1.06 and a profit target at $1.42. Additionally, the entry is in line with an ascending triple top pattern, where the entry coincides with the breakout of the upper part of the 10-day trading range. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.